My name is Pedro Falcão. I'm the Executive MBA Director of a business school in Lisbon, which is called ISCTE. ISCTE is a university with different schools. One of them is the business school, and we also have the executive education arm, which is separate. In terms of the executive ed arm, we have many programs. We only have one MBA, which is an executive MBA, targeted to Portuguese students. So it's taught, in fact, it's taught in Portuguese. So it's a local program, part-time. And we also have several open programs in covering, I would say, most of the functional areas of management, and also some on specific sectors, like, for example, sports, management and marketing, health industry. And we also have, of course, customized programs for different companies in Portugal, addressing different issues or problems that they have, and try to help them through training and sometimes some consulting as well. In fact, they're all taught in Portuguese, the executive education programs that are open. However, we do have some programs with international students or in partnership with international schools. And so we have some programs in English. I would say it's international, but of course with a bias towards Portuguese cases and examples. Except for the few international programs that we have that I mentioned before, where those of course are more international cases. Many times we don't even have Portuguese cases on the few international programs that we have and that we're trying to expand. But the ones taught in Portuguese, they're international, but with a strong Portuguese bias, yes. When you finish your time schedule and you're going to send an email to someone, you can have a message like, look, you really need to send it today, or could you send it tomorrow morning? So trying to educate people to respect more the time outside of work that people have, so the work-life balance. That is, I think it's good. We should respect more people on their lives outside their work. I think we have obviously some cultural specificities. One of them is the lack of or reduced appetite for partnerships and associating with others. So collaboration, it's something that is not strong in Portugal. And in businesses, more and more, the fact that you are able to collaborate, to partner with other companies in your industry or sometimes outside of your industry is key for growing. And I think that's something that we try to instill on them, that we should be more open to collaborations, to partnerships, in order to be able to grow more, and especially for a small country as Portugal. If we want to expand abroad, it is important that we have strong partnering skills to partner with the right ones in different areas in order to globally expand our businesses.